Hey everybody, welcome to a rather magical edition of Steam Time with Miss Jazmin. As if it wasn't already obvious, I'm Miss Jazmin. In case you don't know, STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. And Steam Time is where I bring you bi-weekly STEAM-related tutorials, brought to you by the Ohupi Regional Library System. In case my shirt wasn't a big enough hint, today we'll be making something Harry Potter related. We'll be making Butterbeer slime. So Butterbeer looks like this, a butterscotch drink with a whipped topping. In order to replicate this, we'll be making not one, but two types of slime, a glitter slime and a fluffy slime. Let's get started. To make glitter slime, you'll need clear glue and/or yellow or gold glitter glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, a bowl, a spoon, measuring cups, gold glitter, and vanilla fragrance. To make fluffy slime, you'll need white glue, foamy shaving cream, baking soda, contact lens solution, a bowl, a spoon, measuring cups, and butterscotch fragrance. First things first, I highly recommend doing this on a hard surface, and maybe even throw some newspaper down to make the cleanup easier. You can either use a whole bottle of glitter glue or about 3/4 of a cup of clear and glitter glue. I'm going with the latter method. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, some drops of your vanilla scent, and any additional glitter if you so choose. Mix well. Once everything is mixed, add 1 teaspoon of contact lens solution and start mixing. You'll be able to see and feel your slime start to lump together and pull away from the sides of your bowl. The best method after this is to get in there with your hands. So, go wash your hands and then put some contact lens solution on your hands, rub them together, and start kneading and pulling at your slime. After a few minutes of working it, it should look like this. Ta-da! Glitter slime! Now, onto the fluffy slime. First, add about half a cup of white glue. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking soda and some drops of your butterscotch scent before mixing well. Then, add about 1 cup of shaving cream before mixing well again. Now, add 1 teaspoon of contact lens solution and start mixing. Once again, it should start lumping together. Next, wash your hands, put contact lens solution on them, and begin working your slime. And just like that, your fluffy slime is done. Now that you have your 2 different slimes, you can either keep them separated or mix them together for a whole new texture. I'll show you what that looks like. And here it is! So, slime is what we call a polymer. A polymer is a substance made up of a long chain of molecules that repeat. These chains are able to slide past each other. Glue is also a type of polymer. Common slime activators, such as borax, liquid starch, and saline solution, contain sodium tetraborate. When mixed with glue, borate ions cross-link with the glue's protein molecules, making them larger molecules that can no longer easily slide past each other. You've now made a new polymer. Slime is also an example of a non-Newtonian fluid, a term for a liquid whose viscosity changes depending on pressure. You can form slime temporarily into a shape, but once you let it rest, it becomes just a pool of goo. Non-Newtonian fluids behave differently when stress is applied to them. Shear thickening describes a behavior where a fluid's viscosity changes when a stress is applied to it. A shear thickening fluid acts differently depending on how you handle it. So with slime, pull on it quickly and it breaks apart, pull on it very slowly and it stretches. And now you know how to make your very own Butterbeer slime and the science behind it. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions or comments for me, also be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'd like to thank these websites where I got today's experiment and information from. These links will also be in the description or caption of today's video. And last, but definitely not least, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Be sure to stay tuned into your local library's Facebook page to keep up with all the fun things we have planned for you this summer. I hope you have a great day and stay safe. I'll see you in a couple of weeks.